This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying permissions and getting the API key. This lets you pull trial data securely. Once done, install the CLI and SDK because scripted requests avoid UI limits. Use Python 3.10+ for compatibility. Make sure to create a small sample list of 10 to 50 MZ with ISO 8601 timestamps to test queries. Run a single limited query first to confirm responses, and note rate limits. Early feedback prevents wasted queries and helps you iterate quickly. Next, you construct paginated API calls so you retrieve consistent batches. This avoids timeouts and makes retries simpler. Use JSON responses, pipe them through JQ, or load into pandas to normalize fields like timestamp, cell ID, and throughput. Once you get a page, validate schema and store raw files with a unique request ID for traceability. Also capture rate limit headers and error codes. These tell you when to back off or switch to exponential retry logic, which keeps your trial access stable. Finally, aggregate the cleaned records into hourly windows and compute metrics like average, median, P50, and P95 throughput so you can compare performance. Make sure to anonymize MZ and strip any PII before sharing findings. Privacy compliance matters even in trials. Save outputs as Parquet for efficient queries and attach metadata, query params, SDK versions, and a checksum for reproducibility. If something breaks, check request IDs and rate limit headers first. They usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.